There's a whole lot going on at once. What's going on, everyone? It's Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club, and I think it's time to hit you with a little update. I know the last few videos I've posted have been pretty far and few between, maybe like once or twice a month, if that. And a whole lot of progress hasn't really been made on the SR either. And if you follow me on other social media, you probably noticed my lack of activity. As I mentioned, a lot's been going on. I changed day jobs and there's all that comes with that. And having to switch my routine around always gets me a little unmotivated. Plus it makes the budget get a little slim temporarily. And seeing as how I'm building on a budget, I just spent that time getting the last few videos that I posted actually edited and out there for you guys. I'm actually out here right now working on an exhaust wrap video, which will probably be my next video posted after this one. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Anyway, once I was into the flow of everything with the new job and all that, I got back into the garage, and then immediately something else happened that kind of put me in a weird funk, and I took a break from the garage altogether. To make a long story short, a dog came in and attacked me and my little shop cat while I was outside working in the garage. Ultimately, I had to say goodbye to little Moto Cat. You may have noticed in some videos or seen him on Instagram or something like that, but he was really a great cat. And I'm honestly still pretty pissed off about the whole thing. But deciding not to dwell on the sad parts of all that, I did try to get a little bit of work done in the garage. During that little break I took, I decided to rearrange my garage. Cleaning and rearranging the garage is actually just a pretty easy little victory I can gain for the day and helps boost my motivation. I also slapped together this shelf to hold all my paint supplies. It's made out of scrap material that I used in an effort to make some space here in the garage, and I shot some footage on it. I'm just debating on whether I want to make a video for that or not. If that's something you think you'd like to see, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I also got the opportunity to check out this really fun event that happened here in Tulsa called the Mayo Moto Street Classic. That was a super fun event. I'll post more photos and videos and stuff to my Instagram. But that's pretty much what's been going on over here. Aaron's actually going to be coming by this weekend, and we're going to get that first electronics video we've been talking about knocked out, and I'll have that posted soon as well. But for now, I've got to get back to work because I'm trying to get the KZ back on the road. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.